Okay, today I will be telling you guys about the purpose statement for the IV, the DV, and also we'll be telling you the research question and the hypothesis. So the purpose of the study is to examine the effectiveness of CBT and anxiety in college students. The research question is, does CBT reduce anxiety in college students? And also the hypothesis is CBT reduces anxiety in college students. And then I'm telling you that measurement tool on a DV is the anxiety and depression questionnaire. And 3 things I learned is that I don't like research. And also, it's easy to break down.
All right, so our IRB review is human subject research. Our risk is minimal psychological risk. Our 4 questions were, tell me what anxiety is like for you. Tell me about a time when you tried to manage anxiety and what were the results. Describe a challenge of managing your anxiety, and also what do you hope for the future. 3 things that I learned up in here. I don't like it either.
Wow. All right, so looking at sampling in this study, it is non-probability because we are looking at a certain group of people, which are college students and specifically social work majors. And it is purposive because as we are conducting this study, we are involving these participants with a specific purpose in mind. So they're not random, and we have a specific purpose in that design. And the way that it will be carried out and implemented is that they will be given a questionnaire online or a survey, and we will take some of those and then select certain ones who are receiving the intervention of CBT and some who are not. Something that I learned from this class is how to say purposive and how to find information in a research article.
So I will be talking about the last part of the paper, which is the design component. Our design is a quasi-experimental mixed method design because there's a control group of participants who do receive the intervention, and then participants are not randomized. Before the intervention, both experimental and control groups will complete the anxiety and depression questionnaire, or the ADQ, assessing their anxiety. The experimental experiment will be conducted over 6 months, and then after 6 months we will measure again to see if this anxiety depression questionnaire and CBT is working for both groups, control and experimental. There will be personal interviews conducted in person to see if the CBT is working. The SPS is the ratio for the measurement, since it's a continuous type of variable. There are 2 answers that are available to the participants in the questionnaire, true and false, and also agree and disagree with the statement. The questions are dichotomous only because the research study is scoring the participants' answers yes and no, true and false, and agree and disagree. This study will be a longitudinal study because it's lasting 6 months using the cognitive behavioral therapy group sessions. And here's a picture of our design. So this is the intervention, the control group, and the design group, and this is after the intervention. And then 3 things that I learned about this course is how to read a research article, the components of a research paper, and how to work with group members. Thank you.